Open a new set of brake pads. When installing the new brake pads, if the 3M sticker is not removed, after installing it like this, it will shake. If it is not firm after being installed on the car, it vibrates. The normal installation method is to remove the CM paper of the outer sheet. After removing, then install the outer parts of the brake pads on the calipers. Put the inner film on. Then install the bolts. Install it on the car like this. After a few brakes, the 3M sticker is tightly attached to the caliper. There won't be any shaking. Reduce noise generation.